With the continuous development and maturity of wireless sensor technology, wireless sensor network products have begun to gradually replace traditional wired sensor equipment with their unique advantages. Now wireless sensors have begun to be widely used in all aspects of the home furnishing field and become an emerging hotspot in the market. Let's check it. Light sensor. It is mainly used to measure the brightness of indoor visible light to adjust the indoor brightness. The sensor can convert visible light into electrical signal output. Through the detection and drive control of the sensor, it can be realized that when the indoor light is abundant, the preset lamp switch is actively closed, and when the indoor luminosity is not enough, the preset lamp switch is actively opened. Temperature sensor. Temperature sensors are widely used, and temperature sensors are required wherever they need to be continuously monitored and meet certain requirements. Thermal protection and thermal energy management are very important for all electrical equipment, mechanical equipment, and industrial processes. It is mainly used to detect the change in indoor temperature, and it is convenient to adjust the indoor temperature. It senses the temperature and converts it into a usable output signal. When the temperature is high, the air conditioner begins to cool, and when the temperature is low, the air conditioner begins to heat up. Humidity sensor. It is mainly used to test the humidity in the room. The sensor detects the amount of water vapor in the gas and converts it into an electrical signal output. The humidity sensor detects the indoor humidity parameters and triggers the control switch on demand to activate the humidification control command. Gas sensor. Air quality is becoming an important environmental issue. Pollution reduces the air quality we inhale, which in turn leads to health problems. For example, poor air can aggravate allergies and respiratory diseases, such as triggering asthma. In addition, certain daily activities may release harmful gases, and in extreme cases, harmful gases similar to carbon monoxide can lead to death. Therefore, wireless gas sensors have attracted more and more interest from manufacturers. Gas sensors are mainly used to detect the composition of special gases in the air. The sensor is made by using the principle that the wave speed and frequency of the surface acoustic wave device have a positive correlation with the change in the external environment. In other words, when the gas-sensitive film interacts with the gas to be measured, the quality and conductivity of the gas-sensitive film layer change, causing the wave frequency of the acoustic surface of the piezoelectric crystal to drift. The gas concentration changes and the size of the change in the quality and conductivity of the film layer also changes. Sound sensor. It is mainly used to test indoor sound to achieve the effective voice control. The sound sensor has small shrapnel to sense the sound and convert the sound signal into an electrical signal through a relay. When the sound is loud enough, the electrical signal is also loud enough, and the electrical signal is transmitted to the contact of the switch to make the circuit on or off. Soot sensor. It is used to detect changes in the amount of light to sense the floating dust in the room and indicates the amount of dust concentration by voltage output. When indoor soot, floating dust, and other dust reach a preset concentration value, the system will start the water spray or ventilation equipment operation. Pyroelectric infrared sensor. It can convert infrared signals with a wavelength of about 10 μ into electrical signals. When there is no human body moving, the sensor detects only the background temperature of the place. If there is a human body entering the detection area, through the Fresnel lens, the sensor detects the difference between the human body temperature and the background temperature. Using the principle of this sensor, it is possible to have a wide range of automatic alarm devices, inductive faucets, automatic flushing toilets, automatic lighting, and automatic curtains. Infrared sensor. It works by using infrared radiation to interact with matter to produce physical effects, most of which are electrically physical effects presented by this interaction. It is mainly used in the opening and closing of electrical equipment with infrared switches. Now we know wireless sensors are widely used in our daily life, and can you share what kind of wireless sensors do you use? Please leave them in the comment zone.